Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the GROHE Silverflex shower hose. So let's first take a look at the details that's on the blister packaging. So in this blister packaging is a GROHE Silverflex shower hose. This one measures 1750 millimeters in length or 1.75 meters. It's also available in 1.25, 1.5 and 2 meter lengths. So just taking a look at the details that's on the blister packaging and at the back of the blister packaging or card packaging there are features of this Silverflex shower hose in various languages. And now let's go ahead and open it up by tearing open the blister packaging and lifting the Silverflex shower hose out from it, and we can see that the blister packaging is recyclable. So recycle the packaging thoughtfully and just setting that to the side, setting it on the perhaps left hand side or right hand side of the table. And now giving you a look at this 1.75 meter Silverflex shower hose, just setting it on the tabletop so you have a full and clear view of this hose before I start handling it. So now taking a much closer in look at the shower hose, so you can see that it does have the very smooth and chrome effect Starlight coating or finish, and it does have a universal G 1/2 inch connector, and you can see the very fine knurling detail on it as well. So with a twist-free design allowing a full 360 rotation. So giving you a close-up look at the details of the connector inside and out. And of course the Starlight finishing or coating, which is scratch free and very smooth, as you can see right there. And taking a look at both connector ends, so both having the G 1/2 inch connector, and once we get the camcorder to focus right there so you can see the details more clearly. So both have knurling on the outside grips. And taking a look at the insides as well, so both having the twist-free design and being rotatable 360 degrees. And just unwinding the hose to give you a better look at this 1.75 meter length hose. So it is kink free and AntiFold as well. So as you can see, just giving you some idea of the tensile strength as well, being able to resist up to 50 kilograms. So just giving you that close-up detail of the Starlight finish in the kind of silvery chrome grey finish, in contrast to the chrome finish of the connectors. So you can see it is rather stiff at the moment, coming out straight from the package. Still has its packaged form, but nonetheless, the overall details right there of this very smooth and slick, kink-free anti-fold and tangle-free shower hose with the 360 rotatable G connectors right there once we get the camcorder to focus in on those details with the metal design. So you can see right there with the GROHE branding on the shower head end. So that's the GROHE Silverflex shower hose. Thanks for watching and happy showering!